Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. The name is Fah-Eza. Today we are making goat meat light soup, and for this recipe you will need 1 pound of goat meat, a local spice mix. Please check for the video link in my description box, a handful of pepper, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 salted beef, and 1 spice cube of your choice. I used Maggi cube. 1 medium-sized onion chopped. First, you wash your meat and put it in the saucepan. Add in your salted beef, your chopped onions, your local mixed spice, I poured in some water, approximately 1 cup. One Maggi cube and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it all together and leave it to cook. Make sure your meat is well cooked and is very tender. Nobody wants to take light soup with meat that they cannot chew, so you have to make sure your meat is soft and well cooked. After which you add in your blended tomatoes and pepper. Here I added 1 sachet of tomato paste. You can use any quantity of your choice. Let's say maybe 1/4 cup of tomato paste will be okay. Added in more water. Little more. Covered it and allowed it to cook for some time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Click that red button, and I added 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you always taste your soup to know if the salt is enough or too little before you add in more. So it is all to taste. And our goat meat light soup is done. I garnished it with some spring onions chopped, and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching again, guys, and please do not forget to subscribe. Bye.